How to find Hotspot SSID on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can find out the Hotspot SSID on your Android device. So if you're also looking out on how, in this video, we are going to show you exactly how we can do it. But before that, I would like you to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and let's just get started. So first thing first, head over and open up your main settings of your device if you're on an Android phone. Once you're here, you're going to go ahead and tap on this connections. Look for connections here. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then go to the Wi-Fi section. You can go ahead and tap on Wi-Fi. And once you're here, you will be finding the hotspot network that you're connected to. So if you're connected to any kind of hotspot network, you will be finding right here. You're just going to go ahead and look out for the network connected. And that is it. That is the SSID of that particular network right below the connected. So that is it. That is how you find out the hotspot SSID on your Android device following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.